We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your
Mommy, it's hot and sweaty.
So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you. Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in.
What? Alright, we've got I've never tried these before. Light, high fiber and prebiotics wraps. So I'm gonna make some like a scrambled egg and spinach filling to go in there.
You wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing?
It's another super gloomy day here. I actually got the blinds down because I was filming something and I was using the Christmas tree as a background, so I'll have to put the blinds back up. But it's super cloudy and gloomy. But I've got filming lights out. You eat this, get changed, get stuck into some actual housework.
How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now.
Oh my goodness. Alright, this is the mountain of clothes that came out of the dresser behind me, which I have got to rehome somewhere. I've got some empty drawers over in the closet because this one is going to be going on Marketplace. And in the meantime, while I wait for the outdoor storage unit to arrive that I've ordered from Kogan, I am just going to load it up with all of the storage, all of the organising things that I am going to be putting in the outdoor storage when that arrives.
How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me
Gonna hold anything. These drawers are tiny compared to my regular IKEA drawers. Wowzers. Okay, I think we're gonna have to pack these up. Oh, sooner than I thought. To our books.
Why are you changing your mind? Nah, we ain't got the time.
Oh my gosh, I'm so hot and sweaty. I'm honestly thinking of going for a swim. I doubt that will happen because I don't like going for a swim unless the water is really like warm. I hate cold water. I don't know whether I should wrap it up here for today or go on through into the night and then post in the morning, because I can't film like later on into the night and then post tonight, because I'll have to edit whatever I film into the vlog. So I'm not sure. And then also Sunday there is a really special video coming up, so I won't put a Vlogmas vlog up on, excuse me, Freddie B. He can see that I've got a scrunchie in my hand and he wants it because he loves anything furry, literally anything furry he loves. So there's a really special video coming up on Sunday. It is a big brand partnership that I've been working on, so that's super exciting. So I won't post a Vlogmas up on Sunday, so what I'll do is I will film Saturday, Sunday together and then post that up on Monday, and then moving forward I'll post vlogs, don't growl, like the following day. So I'll film all through the day, because previously I've just been filming up like till mid-afternoon and then posting it on the day of the day. But I think it's better if you film like sometimes into the night, so then you can like film what you're having for dinner and stuff like that, and then I'll just finish off editing it in the morning and then post it the next day. And then I think if there's nothing much happening, which I think there'll be a bit of next week, I might like do 2 or 3 days together and then post them all together. But it's still much more videos, it's still many more videos than I usually post, that's for sure. But it's fun and it keeps you really, really busy, and I really want to get into that, back into that really super productive kind of workspace, similar to back in June when I did the 21-day cleaning challenge. So I don't know, I might see if I can do a little bit more tonight and then finish up editing it and post it in the morning. And then I'll just do a little mini update on Instagram and let you know that it's coming in the morning. But it's been fun, hasn't it, Freddie? And Freddie is all good. He is totally fine. That dog, I think, just kind of nipped onto his fur and didn't actually get his face. Obviously, thank goodness. It just all happened so quickly, and I didn't really feel like so worried about it until I watched it back and I saw exactly how close that other dog got. How close she got to biting your little face, your precious little face, Freddie. Oh, that could have been a disaster. It could have been your eye out, or she could have latched on and just, when they latch on, like honestly, I had 2 dogs, and they fought sometimes when they were kind of struggling to get like who was the top dog, the alpha dog. And it is scary, even small dogs, 2 Jack Russells, oh my goodness, they went for each other quite a few times. And until they got desexed, and then that sort of settled them down, and then they grew up and grew out of it, thankfully. But it's really scary when dogs fight. It's so horrible. But he's all good. He's fine, and he's totally fine around other dogs. He's not scared of other dogs. He doesn't have anxiety. He doesn't have any fears. He's all good. He was just desperately trying to play with the puppies that we came across on our walk today. Sometimes they're really good and they're really they want to play, but sometimes their owners are just like on a mission to walk and I'm not interested. So anyway, he's good. Thanks so much for all your well wishes. Alright, let's crack on with getting this last little bit. We are so close to getting this house completely finished. I'm just waiting for that outside storage unit so that all the things that are downstairs can go into it, and then all of the like extra organizing pieces can just get packed up into some plastic storage boxes and then popped just outside in the balcony. So excuse me, no one's interested in your growling. No thank you, mister. Oh, no thank you, no thank you, no thank you, we don't need that. Enough, or I put you down. Enough. Look, what's it? Hey, you gotta show, that's just the kids. It's just the kids in the street. Just the kids. They're just some kids in the street. You're jealous. Alright, you're gonna have to go down because you're not behaving well. Don't do that. Enough. Alright, let's get cracking on with this. Enough rambling, enough procrastinating. Hot and sweaty again as usual. It's so hot. The sun has come out though, but with the sun and a lot of recent rain comes humidity, so it's super humid. I'm almost tempted to put the aircon on, to be honest, but anyway, we'll see. Okay, I'm just about out of battery, and I realize I probably haven't updated you on this sort of section here for quite a while, but I have basically just flipped. This used to be my desk area, and initially I had this set up as a desk area, but the carpet situation here is such that everything that's here sort of leans forward. So I've got the desk at the moment propped up on some rubbers, erasers, but I'm going to be getting rid of that. So that's going to be something that Jake is going to be putting on Marketplace. He has been doing all the Marketplace ads and he's been handling all the sales, and he gets to keep half of whatever he manages to sell, whatever he can sell it for, and then half comes back to me or like the house and goes towards new furniture and new things for the home. So that's going on Marketplace, and also that is going on Marketplace as well once the outside storage unit comes, like I said before. So it's all just like a bit of a shuffle around while we are a bit in limbo waiting for these final storage pieces. Because I have done a big shuffle around, the desk is kind of like in a little bit of a mess. It's got a lot of black actually in it. So I'm going to be having to do a little bit of a sort out of that as well.
How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now, now, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? Well, have a pity, let me know now, now, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got
Chatty,
time.
you need to get off, otherwise I'll make you into the bed.
Tell me now if
I will make you into
want
bed.
out. What are you saying?
Chatty, you need to get off, otherwise I'll make you into the bed. I will make you into bed. Where's Freddy gone? Where's that Freddy gone? Oh, it looks like some kind of horror movie. Hey, there we go. Where are you, Freddy Bear? Where are you, Freddy Bear? I see you. I can see your little nose. That's your little nose. That's your little nose. There's your little tail. Can you get out, please? Freddy, where are you? Where is Mummy's baby boys? Come on, Freddy, get out. Come on, please, out. Good boy. Good boy.